Hello. Mm, yeah, I think it's working right now. Yes, I think. So, welcome to everybody to this stream. Um, really happy to have you here. I hope I hope you understand the last time my strategy. I didn't explain it good. Really, well, I'm not telling any course anything. I'm not telling nothing right now. So, and I don't want to sell really, to be honest. Just I want to share my journal, my thoughts, my weekly outlooks about the charts, the trading that I'm making. As you know, I'm making swing trading, and I want to see the reality of the swing trader because it's not easy. Not everyone makes this, and to be honest, sometimes it's hard. Even if it's swing trade, and I have to look the charts like one time a day, one time per day, or just a few times per day, few minutes, and it's believe me, it's hard because I'm working. I have a work. I have a life. I have a wife, so I have a family. So it's not easy. It's not easy. So that's why I'm making swing trading because I think if I decide to make day trading or scalping, really the stress, the decisions, yeah, I think it yes, because I don't want to imagine. So we're not here for talking about my life. We're here about for city charts. So uh, just I was looking here on an opportunity, an interesting thing in Ethereum. I will not analyze here Ethereum. I will analyze it in cropping in my another chart because yes, yeah. All right, hello. Well, what I was looking here on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we have a weekly chart. Here we have an interesting zone. The price has respected here, as you can see. And right now, this good, yes. And right now the price came back. So it's not in daily chart. So I have to look in 4 hours time frame. So in 4 hours time frame, here I'm having my level, my flip zone that I'm waiting for the price broke. The price make a yeah, broke this zone and came back. So right now we have the price broke, came back to the zone, and here just I can wait a lot of setups that I have that I have. The first one is it came here, give a engulfing candlestick. Here we have the engulfing candlestick, but to be honest, I'm not the person that I really feel comfortable to take this trade. I prefer that the price make a better retracement, better pullback, maybe this zone. Here for me it was a very good zone. If the price if the price goes here. Um, Final. Where is it? What do you want? That is here. Really, if the price goes here and wait. Yes, extend to the right. It's good. Um, this is I'm like it's in Spanish. This is the name of my setup in Spanish, bastón de continuación. But yes, so just we're gonna call it BC. What does it mean? If the price goes here and I have here a good candlestick pattern, I will join. But the price is making here a new movement, so really I don't feel good to take this risk. Really, if the price made the movement cleaner than this, like goes directly to my zone, and after I have the candlestick pattern, I was sure to take. But here I don't feel comfortable to take this trade. Here is almost the same situation. The price, well, in Ethereum is the same. Here we have in monthly chart. No, this one. Having a monthly chart here. If the price goes here, I will I will try to find the entry in daily chart, but here the price is not here, so I went to the weekly chart. The weekly chart, we're closer, and the price went this zone. So what I was finding in 4 hours chart, the same. I was trying to find the same. So the price broke this level. This this is my zone that I was worrying for the breakout. And here is down. We have the breakout here. So the price was having a pullback that is normal. And this is my zone where I will do it again. Yeah, and this is my zone. I will put this like my favorite. Yeah. And I will call it list like busy. BC, because this is the name of my setup. Yeah. Here we see the price is really having like a rank. The prices didn't decide where to go. So if here I have a good candlestick pattern, maybe Pimber, it will be perfect if I have, or engulfing candlestick, I will take a trade, risking 1 to 3, but not too much. Maybe until here. This zone is good. Maybe here or here. Yeah, this fair value gap looks good to be taken. Yeah. So yeah. So here I'm waiting. I'm still waiting in Ethereum because we are yeah, just while I'm waiting. In here in chain link, I didn't see a good zone. Yeah, in monthly chart, really I have to wait here. I think it could take a lot of time because we're monthly chart. So I will put in, I will leave it like buy. So if we go in weekly chart, yeah, weekly chart, we have more opportunities to take a trade. Here we have yes, here we have a good opportunity. For example, here, yes, this is a good zone. If I put in, yes, this is a weekly chart. So weekly chart, I'm waiting the price goes here. Well, the price is still not here, so I'll wait a little more. Yeah, and wait for the price goes to my zone. Yes, for the moment the price is not. Yeah, the price didn't make it the thing that I want. Yeah, this was a good zone to relatively. practicing. Yes, but it's not right now the time. So here I'm still waiting, even in 4 hours chart. In Solana, I think is that right? So yes, Solana or Sol. Yes, Sol is Solana, right? Yeah, Solana. So what I'm waiting on Solana is basically the same in monthly chart. Yeah, in monthly chart here I have a good zone. I have two zones here. This one for buys and this one for sell. Yes, cool. So I will go to weekly chart. Here on weekly chart, it's hard. Let me see. Whoa, 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 whoa. Because in Solana we're having here in daily chart, here it's broken. So I'm waiting for the retracement. Solana, I'm I'm finding, I'm looking for its sales, like a short trade. So yes, I don't have too much things to see. It's so clear. Here, this is the zone that I was going to be broken. And yeah, the breakout is done. Maybe I can put here like an entry order block because here I have a for valid gap. My my order block I'm depths. Maybe this one or maybe this one. But I think with if I put here is good. In both cases is good. This one. Yeah, I will put it here because I always want to have a three. Yeah, yes. So in Solana, I'll put this. But if I have, of course, a good candlestick pattern here in the Fibonacci 61.8, I'll take it. But for the moment, I have this. So but of course, if I right now I will put the pending order here, and if the price takes this, it's perfect. And if even after the price, if even if I have the entry here, and the price after gives me the candlestick pattern in the 61.8 and Fibonacci, I'll take it because one trade, one trade is, I can take one trade in another trade, even if it's inside the same price of the same in the stop loss, in the between my stop loss and my take profit. If inside I have another trade, why not? I can take it. It doesn't matter for me. So here I will put this trade right now. I didn't prepare MetaTrader 4, 5. I'll tell you again. Right now I'm having icy markets. I will. I think I will. No, for the moment it's too early to say this is bad broker because I showed you before I had a huge but a huge spread, and I chose this broker because they say they have the best spread in the market. So I was a little disappointed with this because if it was not for this, uh, yeah, if it wasn't for this huge spread, really huge spread, I I won. My trade was a winning trade, but because of that, it was a losing trade. Okay, it doesn't matter right now. Just I have to see the present. So here I will put this trade here right now. What? I have my money here. He's crazy. So I will put in Solana here. Mhm. Here I'm really trying to have the same, but in daily chart, yes, it's almost the same. So what I'm looking for, just put in order. Uh-huh. No. Yeah. So the thing that I'm trying to find is just my take profits. So why am always trying to look for the for me it's so important that my take profit is before the last high or the last low, but with the close closed price. I mean, for example, here I will try to find that my take profit is always, of course, if I'm talking about the order blocks, because if it's with the candlestick pattern, I don't really mind too much about this. But if it's with the order block, the idea of the order block is the price goes this zone for take the liquidity, and liquidity usually it's in the next well in the previous in the previous high or low. So in this case, in theory, in the in theory is here the liquidity. So the price should take this zone and goes to the liquidity that is here. So that's why I always try to put my take profit before. Okay, so really I'm making this right now. I want to be well like this. So I will take the trade. Okay, it's done. What? Yes. Here the minimum. Something interesting here. Here the minimum. Oh yes, I can have. Why having this? Uh, why? Why? This is just I wanted to risk the 1%, but it's giving me the risk like 10%. I don't know why. Mm, yeah, the minimum is yeah. I'm obligated to risk this eighth person of my account. I do it because my account is not a big account, so really I'm obligated to do it if I want to take this trade. This is one thing I don't like too much about having a small account is sometimes you are obligated to take a bigger risk that you want because you don't have enough enough money in your account to be covered. But in every case, we're gonna see if it's good or not. Okay. Just to be honest, I see this like a beautiful trade, really like a beautiful trade. So I'm considering to take this risk, like the 8% of my account. So okay, it's done. I'm already put my short trade, my pen in order. Yeah. So what we're gonna do right now? Yes. So I'm already in daily chart. Yeah, this is in daily chart. So in weekly chart, what are we having here? Here, this is interesting, but here, I'm not sure if I can take this risk. Here in weekly chart, we're having a buys, buying zone, and even this buying zone, this buying zone. So let me see 4 hours. So it's not really clear. And what I can wait for, this price goes here. Now if it goes down, the price didn't broke this zone. So really, yes. I don't have this. I don't like too much this zone, like a weekly chart. I prefer this zone. I don't like too much this. Even if it's maybe it's a good trade, I don't want to take it because just I don't like too much how it looks, the price, how it looks here. Doesn't give you clear information for hours. Maybe in weekly chart is good, but no, it's not enough. For me, this is better. For me, this is clean movement, and I prefer to take this. Yeah, this is a clean movement. Not this. I don't like too much because it's not clear. So yes, so I'm gonna find. I'm gonna try to find this. So in Ethereum, we're in the same situation. I'm not until this moment. I don't have a I don't have any sell zone. So I'm waiting for this to provide by zone. In weekly chart is kind of similar, but this is weekly chart. What is in weekly chart? Is it in Ethereum? In Ethereum, it's the same. Or even here. But I prefer to take the buys because yeah, maybe here the sell. This is one thing I don't like too much. In weekly chart, we're having this. This could be a sell zone for me, but in daily chart, no. We're looking. Well, is not good idea. Yeah, here, here. Yeah, this could be a good sell zone. In fact. So yes, I think this could be a good zone to take a trade, short trade. Yeah, yes, Jesus. Weekly chart, monthly chart. No, we don't see nothing. In weekly chart, here we have a good zone. Take and it's here, but the price already went there. Yeah, the price was already here. Yeah, I think I lose this opportunity. Yes, here we had a rank. It was broken. Yeah. Yeah, but the price is here right now. Let's make this respecting this zone. And here, the price here. Just here, I'm waiting for it. But right now, I don't have a clear movement. I don't like too much this. Here, maybe in Ethereum, yes. Link, chain link. Worst. I'm not really having a good zone in 4 hours time frame. Yeah, maybe in 4 hours time frame, I'm having a here a sell zone. Yeah, I see this like a good sell zone. But I don't know. Okay. There's this how it looks in 4 hours chart. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Price maybe can goes here. Yes. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Bad at all. Maybe here, but this. No, I don't like to show this like this. Here, yes, the price is in a good zone. Yeah, let's throw this. Still wanna know. Still wanna know. Still wanna know. Turum, turum. Yeah. Yeah, keep it here. I'm reading dubs right now. Even if it's not a clear moment, the price is reacting because it took this zone here, more like this, and it's reacting here. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna find this zone. And the price can easily make this moment like goes up, broke this. Not too much. Chain link. Not to be honest, I don't like too much how it looks. Sorry, Ethereum. Sorry, I'm tired, but I'm really tired. And I'm even talking in another language that is not my first language. Then is the end of the talking in another language that is not my first language. Then is the end of the night. Is evening. Tired people. I'm tired, but I don't care. This is the force. If I want to leave, if I want to leave, of course, not this year, not the next year, maybe in 5 years, with some trading. By my of course, I wanna get investors. I wanna not not just people that is investing in me. I would like to take a challenge in the prop firms, or maybe having capital from enterprises like a Darwin X Zero, ISO, Axis Elite, or the prop firms very well known right now. They are fighting for know who is the best one. But yes, for the moment, just I want to have this. I want to focus on to having results. I don't care after if I win, if I lose. I don't care. I don't care right now. I'm not. My life it doesn't. My life is good without the trading right now. I don't need the trading right now. But if I have it, it's better. So we're continuing with Chainlink. 4 hours.